Refrigerate.
Filtered carrot juice undergoes
Each bottle is rinsed with high pressure.
Each bottle is carefully. Each carrot juice bottle is labeled with families happy and healthy. Refrigerated trucks transport carrots directly from farms to the processing facility.
All right, clear on the left.
Bring it back 10 feet and stop.
At the factory, automation takes over.
Every carrot undergoes intensive washing to meet food safety standards.
Here, only premium-grade carrots move forward on the main conveyor. Each carrot has been carefully cleaned and trimmed, ready for the next stage of processing.
The audio features a voiceover narration. The speaker, a man, talks about the factory environment and the quality.
Once cleaned, the carrots move into high-speed peeling machines. Precision blades gently remove the outer skin, ensuring minimal waste and perfect quality. All peels, tops, and tail cuts are automatically separated. This waste line ensures that only usable carrots stay in the production flow.
The separated waste is collected safely for reuse or disposal, maintaining hygiene, efficiency.
These whole-peeled carrots are carefully packed in 1 and 2 kilogram bags, perfect for everyday home cooking and fresh vegetable use.
These freshly cut carrots are packed separately, ideal for salads, quick meals, and ready-to-cook vegetable dishes.
By separating whole and cut carrots, the factory ensures each product meets specific customer needs.
Once packed, the carrot products are carefully placed into cartons, ready for branding and final sealing.
Every carton is clearly branded and marked with packing and expiry dates, ensuring freshness, safety, and full traceability.
After sealing, the cartons are stacked and prepared for cold storage and nationwide distribution.
All packed cartons are stored in a state-of-the-art cold storage facility. Maintaining precise temperature ensures
Carrots are cut into thin, uniform strips, perfect for making delicious pickles.
Fresh carrots are carefully cut into uniform pieces, ready for further processing.
For marabba, carrots are diced into perfect cubes, ensuring consistent sweetness and texture in every batch.
Processed carrots are separated into two lines, one for pickles, one for marabba, ensuring each product meets its unique quality standards.
Before entering tanks for pickles or marabba, each carrot piece is inspected to ensure perfect quality.
Now, the carrot strips and cubes are ready for transformation into pickles and marabba, maintaining quality and hygiene at every step.
Fresh carrot strips are combined with salt, spices, and vinegar in state-of-the-art mixers, creating the perfect pickle mixture. For marabba, carrot cubes are carefully mixed with sugar syrup and natural flavors, ensuring a consistent, sweet preserve.
Carrots are carefully separated into two lines, one for pickles and one for marabba, each processed under strict quality standards.
Quality checks during mixing ensure that every carrot strip and cube is perfectly coated and ready for the next stage. After mixing, carrot strips and cubes are carefully transferred to dedicated tanks for pickle and marabba processing, maintaining flavor and quality.
Prune. Every batch of carrot pickle undergoes a meticulous quality check, ensuring perfect spice coating and texture.
Each carrot cube for marabba is carefully inspected for size, color, and syrup consistency.
Every glass jar for carrot marabba is thoroughly sanitized to ensure maximum hygiene before filling. Carrot pickle bottles are sanitized thoroughly to guarantee the highest hygiene standards.
Each carrot pickle bottle is filled, sealed, and labeled with the brand Hadi Tariq and expiry date, ready for distribution.
Filled and labeled jars and bottles are carefully packed into cartons, ensuring safe and organized distribution.
Freshly harvested carrots arrive at the factory, ready for processing into pure, nutritious juice.
each carrot is carefully washed to remove dirt and impurities, ensuring the highest hygiene standards.
Peeling and cutting machines prepare carrots for juice extraction, slicing them into perfect uniform pieces.
Carrots are crushed into smooth puree using high-speed industrial juicers, capturing natural nutrients and vibrant color.
The crushed carrot pulp is carefully transferred into mixing tanks, ready for blending and further processing into juice or puree. The carrot puree is blended to create a smooth, consistent juice ready for bottling or further processing.
Filtered carrot juice undergoes a final quality check to ensure purity, consistency, and natural color.
Each bottle is rinsed with high-pressure water, ensuring every surface is clean and ready for sterilization.
A specialized sanitizer is applied to each bottle, eliminating germs and ensuring food safety.
Bottles are gently dried to remove moisture, ensuring labels adhere perfectly in the next.
Every branded bottle undergoes a final inspection to ensure quality and accuracy before moving to packaging and distribution.
Each bottle is carefully filled, sealed, and labeled with brand name and expiry date, ready for packaging. Each bottle of carrot juice is carefully sealed using automated capping machines to ensure freshness and prevent contamination.
Empty carrot juice bottles are arranged on the conveyor, ready for thorough sanitization to maintain hygiene.
Empty carrot juice bottles are arranged on the conveyor, ready for thorough sanitization to maintain hygiene.
Each carrot juice bottle is labeled with the Hadi Tariq brand and expiry date, ensuring brand recognition and traceability.
Each set of 5 to 6 carat juice bottles is carefully packed, ensuring they are secure and ready for shipment.
Packed bottles are placed into cartons, each branded with Hadi Tariq and clearly marked with expiry dates for easy identification. The carefully packed cartons are transported into cold storage, ensuring optimal freshness until shipment. Finally, the branded cartons are stored in cold storage to preserve freshness until they reach distributors and stores. Next, the cartons are carefully loaded into refrigerated Hadi Tariq trucks, ready to maintain freshness during transit.
Hadi Tariq trucks transport the fresh carrot juice and vegetable products across the country, ensuring safe delivery to supermarkets.
Shoppers select the fresh Hadi Tariq products from the shelves, confident in quality and freshness.
Shoppers explore the fresh Hadi Tariq selection, carefully choosing their favorite carrot packs, marabba, and achar jars.
With each selection, shoppers ensure they pick only the freshest, high-quality Hadi Tariq products for their families. At home, Hadi Tariq products bring joy and freshness to every meal, keeping families happy and healthy.